this is the hair, you guys, and I'm so in love. I hope you guys get the hair because this hair is great. The hair is cute. My parting game is not really that good, but this is what it looked like. Little. It's really giving so on you guys. Like, hey beauties, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this V-part wig that I bought from Vshow. It is 16 inches and it came in this box. I already took it out the box or whatever. So my hair is braided, you know, it's parted and stuff like that. I have like, you know, just basic braids. You can put your hair in a ponytail or something like that. They also gave me a wig cap, which I'm not going to use at all. And they gave me some cute looking lashes, which I have a bunch of lashes, so I probably won't use them. Or I might, give them. And they also came with this little pamphlet for Vshow, you know, hair care tips, stuff like that. So you guys, I'm just installing this wig today for you guys. I'm not going to be doing anything else, but stay tuned for the next part. This is what the hair looks like. I did dye it a dark color. It was a little more brown than this. It was a lighter brown. But I dyed it to match my hair color. I tried to dye it black, but I don't know if black really stuck to it. Okay. So you can't see. Combs. There's 2 combs right here. One like 2 combs on each side. Trying to not get it stuck where it's not supposed to be. Let me make sure I put the combs in. And this is a 16 inch, you guys, so it really was super pretty. I didn't want it long, but next time I'll probably get 18 or a 20 inch. So you guys, I had to go to a mirror to fix the back part because I really couldn't see in the camera, and fix my part as well too. I have this hair wax stick that I like to use to, I don't know, it's weird to use because hair wax, I don't really know if it really helps it or not, but I just try to use it to lay down my hair. I really wish that I had a not a flat iron, a hot comb, because I would probably use that for like the roots and stuff, but it's cool. I'm not sure if this hair curls. It probably does though, because it's really good hair. This is the first time that I tried their hair. Usually I'll get my hair from Beauty Forever or Love Me Hair, but all of the hair at Vshow is just 180 density. So I think that's great because instead of you having to pick out density, they give you a good density where it's like it's fuller, it's thicker, and the ends were like cut, so you can know that it's not like thin at the ends, and like, you know, with some, like this is Brazilian hair, like they give you different options of what type of hair that you want to wear. But this one was Brazilian, and I think they did a good job, like with, you know, how they have the whole setup. It just makes it easier. The hair is really full, like probably the fullest hair I probably ever bought. I'm feeling you, and you know what's up, said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up, People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning, looking by with the sun just on. I just feel like all the lace wigs and stuff like that is just outdated. I've been doing my hair for like forever, so I've been knew about the whole lace wig thing way before it became a wave thing. Like when people were doing like traditional sewing and stuff like that, I probably was doing lace wigs and things like that, or half wigs, because that was something that I was interested in doing. But this is a game changer for people that don't want to actually, you know, have the thread in their hair and you could take it off at night, or if you want to wash your hair during the week and, you know, not affect the hair. This is definitely the way to go. This is the easy way for me to go, at least, because I have natural hair and I like to be versatile. So you guys go check the hair out, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.